wave. Sparky, 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 don't run away. Ugh, he's camera shy again. Right now I'm at my Aunt Patty's house. She's like really nice, and the reason why I'm here is because, well, my mom, she had to go to rehab because of her problems. I don't know. My mom is just, she has problems, and people at the rehab place are gonna help her. My Aunt Patty has a lot of Christmas presents for my cousins. I don't get Christmas presents. I don't get them because as my grandma said that I'm not a good boy. Tomorrow morning on Christmas Day, I'm gonna have to watch all my cousins open up presents, and I'm not gonna get any. But the good side is Santa will still give me something. And all my cousins will get coal. One year I got coal because my mom, was really mad at her, so I hit her in the head with a golf club. And I got coal that year. But this year, my temper tantrums have not been as hacking bad as they used to be. So all my cousins are asleep right now, and I'm still up because I'm gonna wait for Santa to come because I want to meet him. Okay, well, I'm gonna sing some Christmas carols to get the spirit. Silent night. Holy night, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Through the fields we go, laughing all the way, ha ha ha. I think Santa's here. I heard something, I swear. Never mind, that was just my cousin's spider monkey rattling inside its cage. I'm supposed to feed the spider monkey, but I don't want to feed it. I want it to starve. 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 Whenever the spider monkey gets mad, I calm it down by doing this. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little spider monkey. It works every single time, trust me.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ugh. God, those people had a disgusting chimney. God, I frickin' hate being Santa. Have to deliver all these frickin' presents. Oh my God, where the heck are the cookies? They did not forget the cookies, gosh!
I'm sorry, we didn't make any, but I thought Santa was fat.
What? Don't believe in those urban myths. Santa's skinny. He went on Jenny Craig. Oh my God, why are you even awake? Why are you awake?
I couldn't get to bed because there's sugar in my system because I had pop before I went to bed, I'm sorry.
Well, get back to bed, for God's sake! Get back to bed!
You're making me cry. You're being mean to me.
Sorry, kid. I didn't mean to be so harsh.
You should be sorry. You're a mean man. I thought you were nice.
Okay, well, here's your present. It's a karaoke machine. And I'm not going to give any of your cousins presents because they were bad kids. They're getting cold. Okay, well, I'm going to go. Ooncha, 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 boom!
Oh my God, my own karaoke machine. It was like magic when he went away. He just poofed away. Well, since I have a karaoke machine now, I think I'm gonna play with it. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yeah! And Happy Kwanzaa and Happy Hanukkah to everyone else. Happy holidays, happy holidays. Wow! Merry Christmas and Hanukkah and Kwanzaa! Thank you. Thank you very much.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen,
Why are you awake?
you're pulling on the rein.
I'm not even done.
You are? Why didn't you start earlier?
Well, I just have like 2 more things to say.
Okay, well, should we go downstairs when you do it?
Yeah?
Hey, you can go downstairs. Let's see some finished photos.